So I've been reading in the waiting room, and I've been thinking about the number a lot, and I'm nervous to see what your evaluation is of me.
Oh, and you know, I didn't do that so that you were scared. What I did is for 25 years, I have very accurately been able to look at somebody's face or body and say, according to what they're asking me, to make me more attractive.
Without like totally judging them.
No, there's no judgment. I mean, when I write this, I just write it as an educational purpose so that if you're, let's say you look in a mirror, you wake up one day and say, okay, I want to do something.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that something? How much is it going to make you attractive? That's what the book tries to tell you. So it says to you, yes, in a perfect world, your eyebrows should be up here, your eyes shouldn't have extra skin, there shouldn't be fat bags, your cheeks should be full and round. Now, what does that mean? Because some people you see have nice, full, round, beautiful cheeks, which looks fantastic. Mm-hmm. Others have big, round cheeks that stick out to the side that make them not look so good. So
yeah.
What is it exactly?
That's true.
So I try to tell you how important it is. If you want to do it, what I show you in there, what the ideal shape is, and then I even go down, because if somebody says, well, that looks a little good, what does that mean? But if I tell you that perfect cheeks are 75 out of 100 points, you know what that means. And then if I tell you your cheeks are only, and they're not, but if I look at your cheeks and tell you they're 25 out of 75 possible, you know what that means also. So that's why I'm trying to, I'm a Virgo, so I have to make everything understandable.
Okay.
So to me, I put it in a priority. So if someone comes to me, I literally make a drop-down menu, and I have for 25 years. Mm-hmm. In order of priority to make you attractive. This is the most important. This is next. This is next, and this is really meaningless.
So what's your top thing?
Top is always cheeks. So the three top features are: if you have full round cheeks, out of 100 points for your face, that's 75. If the eye area doesn't have excess skin or bags, and you have beautiful arched eyebrows like that, that area is worth 10. If your lips are perfectly proportioned, which means it's pouty in the lower lip, and this one's 3/4 the size, which is what we're going to talk about today, that's worth 7. If you add those two up, that's 92 out of 100 points. I didn't talk about your nose, I didn't talk about your chin, didn't talk about your skin, because that brings the other 8 points. But when you walk around today, other than these, the beautiful women that we may see here today, most of them have numbers that are 60 to 74. That's the average. When you walk around and you see somebody, you don't even notice them, do you?
No.
Because they're average. When you notice, you walk around and you see yourself, oh my God, that's
good-looking people.
She's gorgeous. That's somewhere in the upper 90s, somewhere around 92 to 100. I call 95 and above star quality beautiful, because they really will just make you look at them, whether male or female. So there's certain facial characteristics that make that face for a woman. There's a different set that make that for men.
And they go different by the sides, right?
Yeah, but symmetry doesn't matter. It doesn't matter really. Someone looking at you is not going to figure out whether you're symmetric or not. What they're going to do is nobody is.
Oh, okay.
And so that doesn't matter. It's all about, do you have the right facial features, yes or no?
Okay.
And if you do, which ones are they and how much are they worth as far as you being attractive? Cheeks are the most important. The eye area is next. Then the lips are third.
I mean, you have great cheeks too. I mean, you have really pretty cheeks.
I love my cheeks.
You should love them. They're beautiful.
And I don't know. I mean, I like everything. I think I didn't like my mouth before, but
the reason you don't like your mouth is because it's slightly not quite balanced. You have a great lower lip, but the upper lip needs to be a little bit fuller. So they jut your lip out. It's okay.
Funny, and I feel like I talk funny.
No, you don't. Okay. What I would do, and what we're going to do today, is we're just look in the mirror. We're just going to give you a little bit in your lip, because when I make that slightly more proportioned, see, all of a sudden this side of your lip looks very nice.
Yeah,
this wants to be 3/4 the size of this lip. Not even, because when they're even, they look unbalanced. And what's really popular today, which I disagree with, is when the upper lip is bigger, you look like a duck.
Yeah, no way.
The only way you got that is you had some kind of bad plastic surgery. You don't want that.
Oh, okay.
You want to look naturally attractive.
No.
Okay?
Yeah,
so this isn't to scare you, and share this with people, because I spent a lot of time writing this, not because I want to judge you. I have other things to do. I want you to be able to look in the mirror and say, if I want to fix myself, this is an important area. You have to care about doing it. And then I show you ways that are proven to do it. And there's no surgery in there. Surgery is something that if you figure out the aesthetic plan first, and you do it so that everything you do makes you more attractive, the surgery takes care of itself, or the treatments, or the procedures. Because, see, what I didn't do is I didn't say I was going to make your cheek broad, sticking out to the side. Now, why didn't I say that? Because that's a male characteristic.
Yeah.
Why would I put it on a beautiful
I
woman?
want to look as girly as possible.
But yet you see that being done. So fillers by themselves are just dumb things. You have to do it according to the aesthetic plan. The aesthetic plan has to be correct. Doesn't matter how great you inject fillers. If you put it in the wrong amount, the wrong place, you're not going to get the right result.
So anybody can inject fillers. You just have to
Yeah.
know where and how much
Yes.
to make you more pretty, because you're already
follow that.
beautiful.
That's why I gave it to you.